The question says we should evaluate this expression. So we have 27 raised by 1 over 3 over 16 raised by minus 1 over 4. How do we do this? Solution. Okay, so to evaluate this, we have 27 raised by 1 over 3 over 16 raised by minus 1 over 4. Okay, so we can write this as the cube root of 27, okay, over, so for 16 raised by minus 1 over 4, we can write this as this, okay, we introduce 1, okay, as a result of this bar, so we have this as 16 raised by 1 over 4, which is same as saying 1 over the 4th root of 16, okay, which is equivalent to 1 over 2, okay. So for this, so we can have this as the cube root of 27 is 3, which is this, okay, divide, the result of this is 1 over 2, okay. So here we have 3 times 2 over 1, so we have our answer to be 6. Thank you very much.